today we're gonna get completely inspired by a brown wig that I feel like is my dream brown wig color. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So sorry I've been completely MIA, like things have been crazy in the world and I hope all of you are honestly doing amazing. So I went back to work and everything going on, like I mentioned, I just was a little sad and not really feeling like up to like really making videos. So I hope all of you are getting through it and hopefully wigs can help us out of the little shell that we've all been in, including myself. So this wig is from Sam's Beauty right here. So this is from Sensationnel and is part of their Cloud 9 series. The one thing that I love about Sensationnel wigs is that I truly feel like they have the most natural colors. So I just absolutely feel like their color points are literally on it all the time. So this is again from the Cloud 9. So again, so she is exactly like she says, on Cloud 9, aka a complete dream. I believe how you pronounce the name for this is Solana. She is gorgeous. So I actually have it in the color that actually is on the card. So it's this gorgeous brown and caramel. So when I used to have brown hair, which is my natural color, I used to always definitely have kind of like these bigger chunks of like kind of caramely and just fun colors like this. And when I saw this wig, I was like, this looks like a dream sent from above for brown. And then also, as you know, I'm completely obsessed with these kind of very romantic wavy curls right here. And as you can see, she definitely kind of like V's down. I cannot wait to brush her out to see what she's all about. So with the Cloud 9 means that she's gonna have like the most amazing hairline as well and cap construction. So she does have a 13x6 lace front, and she does have a pretty light lace right here, which is really nice. But look at that 13x6 ear to ear. And then also, if you can tell right here, she does have some pre-cut baby hairs as well. And then when we put it on, you'll really see just how beautifully plucked out she is. And then let's talk about the actual inside. So she does have 2 combs right here on the side. And then she also has 1 comb in the very back. She does have a medium wig cap, and it does have some pretty nice stretch. So if you need a large head friendly cap, this would work for you. All right, so let's just get to the best part and put this girl on. All right, so I do have a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, look at this girl already. I'm absolutely loving it. So let's take a look really quickly at the hairline so we can see how Cloud 9 she is. So as you can see, she is gorgeously plucked, like really pretty, like really not much to do. With it, of course, if you really wanted to wear a cap, you may want to do the glue down with the cap method so you don't have this big line right here. But yeah, she is really great. I mean, honestly, a little dream. And then of course with the pre-cut baby hairs on this wig as well. So she's ready to go if you would like to lay those down. So now let's take our scissors and cut this lace off. So now let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. Very bouncy and very light. And from brushing her, she had very minimal shedding. And then what's really awesome with this 13x6, as it's shown on the card, this gorgeous braiding. So you can really do a lot of really fun things with this, since it does have such free parting. If I was a braider, I would totally get into this, but I'm not really good at doing hair, which is why I love wigs. All right, so now let's play with the parting. And actually what we're gonna do is, since I'm not gonna shift the wig cap because there's so much lace, I'm just gonna take my fingers and just create a parting this way. And this is definitely like va-va-voom like Real Housewives of something. Don't you love it? So of course, let's look at me like just making this parting, how great it is. Let's make it a little deeper to see, just so I can show you. I mean, look how great that is. I mean, so I absolutely kind of love this, very bouncy. Like I said, like I honestly love when a bang can kind of like do this lifted thing, because my hair, I've got these colics, they would never do any of this look. All right, so let's switch it to the other side to see if she's gonna give a different look. Definitely the same kind of look on this side. I do feel like it's a little bit more higher on the like poof up, if you will. But I do feel like you can definitely do more of like an in front of your face kind of look like this. But again, with the parting, it looks so amazing, like really, really pretty. So let's just stick it down the middle again with this, but the colors are just so incredibly stunning. So again, this wig is from Sam's Beauty right here, and she's from Sensational, from the Cloud9, which is a dream line for sure. So I want to know if any of you have a favorite Sensational wig. I would love to see you in it. So reach out to me on Instagram. I absolutely love when you send me photos of you and your wigs and your different looks. And I absolutely love when you tell me that you're going out of the box with a special color. So let's just have fun, wear a wig, and just live our best lives ever. And last but not least, always remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this absolutely stunning, amazing wig from Sensational, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you